Are you tired of freezing when real English is spoken? You're not bad at English. Your ears just need training. Let's fix that together. Let's start today learning with Learn English with Hatha. Most English learners work very hard. They read books. They watch videos with subtitles. They memorize grammar rules. They learn new words every day. But then something strange happens. When a real person speaks English, they freeze. They don't understand. They feel frustrated. And they ask, why is real English so fast? Here's the truth. English is not a reading language. It's a sound language, but most learners train only their eyes. Your eyes read subtitles. Your eyes read grammar rules. Your eyes read vocabulary lists. Meanwhile, your ears do nothing. Imagine this. You watch an English movie with subtitles. You understand everything. You feel confident. Then one day, you turn subtitles off. Suddenly, everything sounds fast. Words disappear. Sentences melt together. You panic. This is not because your English is bad. It's because your ears were never trained. Let me tell you about Alex. He studied English for 5 years. He knew grammar. He knew many words. But when his foreign coworker spoke, Alex only smiled and nodded. Later, he said, I understand English when I read it, but when people speak, I hear noise. Alex wasn't lazy. Alex wasn't stupid. He trained his eyes, not his ears. Subtitles feel helpful. They feel safe. But here's the problem. When subtitles are on, your brain relaxes. Your ears stop working. You think you're listening, but you're actually reading, so your listening skill stays weak. One day, I made a decision. I stopped trusting my eyes. I started trusting my ears. Even when I didn't understand, even when it felt uncomfortable. At first, it was painful. My brain felt tired. I wanted to quit, but something amazing happened. My ears woke up. Think about going to the gym. The first day hurts. Your muscles are weak. You feel uncomfortable. But if you go every day, your body adapts. Listening is the same. Your ears need training, not explanations, not grammar. Here's exactly what I did. Keycap 1. Listen without subtitles. Don't pause, don't translate. Just let the sound enter your ears. Keycap 2. Listen again. Focus on rhythm, emotion, intonation, not words. Keycap 3. Listen a third time. Check subtitles only if needed. Your goal is not understanding everything. Your goal is recognizing sounds. Here's what teachers rarely tell you. Understanding comes after listening, not before. Your brain learns patterns first. Meaning comes later. This is how children learn. They listen for months before understanding. You are no different. You don't need hours. Just 10 minutes a day. Short videos, podcasts, simple conversations. Slowly, something magical happens. English feels slower, clearer, more natural. Remember, if English feels fast, it's not because you're bad. It's because you trained the wrong skill. Checkmark. Stop training your eyes. Start training your ears. Fluency starts with listening. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe to Hatha English for more simple English lessons.